Hey guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up QuickBooks for a small business in 2026.
If you want to set up QuickBooks for your small business in 2026, here's a quick beginner guide. First, create your QuickBooks account and choose the plan that fits your business. During setup, QuickBooks will ask for basic information like your business name, industry, and business type. Next, connect your business bank account and credit cards. This allows QuickBooks to automatically import transactions, which saves a lot of time. After that, customize your chart of accounts and add your income and expense categories. This helps keep your bookkeeping organized from the start. Now, set up your invoices by adding your business logo, payment methods, and invoice terms. You can also add your products or services so creating invoices becomes faster later on. Then invite your accountant or team members if needed, and set user permissions based on their role. Finally, review your tax settings and enable automatic expense tracking so your reports stay accurate throughout the year.